What if the system that is supposed to organize your customers is actually slowing your entire business down? Most people get this wrong, but here's why choosing the wrong CRM can quietly cost you thousands in lost deals and wasted time. Today, we're taking an honest look at SAP CRM and what it's really like to use before you commit. SAP CRM is part of the larger SAP business ecosystem and is designed mainly for large and mid-sized companies. It helps manage customer data, sales pipelines, service requests, and marketing campaigns in one connected system. It is powerful, but it is not simple. From the first login, you can tell this is enterprise-level software built for complex operations. The biggest strength of SAP CRM is integration. If your company already uses SAP ERP or other SAP tools, everything connects smoothly. Customer records, invoices, shipping data, and service tickets can all sync automatically. This gives teams a full view of each customer across the entire business. You won't believe what happens next when sales and support finally stop working in separate systems. SAP CRM also handles large volumes of data well. Companies with thousands of clients and long sales cycles benefit from its reporting tools. You can track customer interactions, sales forecasts, and service performance in real time. Managers often use this data to spot trends and improve customer retention. However, most people get this wrong and assume SAP CRM is easy to use. It is not. The interface can feel slow and complicated, especially for new users. Training is required, and many companies hire consultants just to set it up correctly. Customization is powerful, but every change adds cost and time. Another downside is pricing. SAP CRM is expensive compared to cloud-based CRMs. You pay for licenses, setup, customization, and ongoing support. For small businesses, this can quickly exceed the budget. So who should use SAP CRM? It is best for large companies with complex processes, multiple departments, and existing SAP systems. If you need deep data control and enterprise-level security, it delivers. If you want something fast and simple, you may feel overwhelmed. The surprising truth is that SAP CRM is not bad. It is just built for a specific type of business. Choose wisely. Subscribe now for more honest software reviews that save you time and money.